Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Notes Said 24 channel. Today, we will do shadowing practice together. Shadowing means listening and repeating sentences aloud. It helps you speak English more clearly. It helps you remember words and sentences easily. It also helps improve your pronunciation. Shadowing is fun and easy for beginners. In this video, you will learn simple English sentences for at a bank. We will practice at a bank actions using easy and clear English. Each sentence is short and easy to repeat. Try to say each sentence aloud with me. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Keep practicing and you will improve very fast. But I have one important request for you. Please don't skip any part of this video because every part is important. You need to build your foundation first. Just like building a house, you start from the bottom. Give me your full attention for the next few minutes because today is the day your English speaking changes. Are you ready to start this journey with me? Are you ready to practice 50 sentences? Are you ready to become a confident English speaker? All right. Welcome, and let's start and enjoy learning English. I go to the bank. I go to the bank. The bank opens at 9. The bank opens at 9. I stand in line. I stand in line. I wait for my turn. I wait for my turn. The bank is busy today. The bank is busy today. I talk to the bank teller. I talk to the bank teller. Good morning. Good morning. I want to open an account. I want to open an account. I fill out a form. I fill out a form. I write my name here. I write my name here. I show my ID card. I show my ID card. The teller checks my ID. The teller checks my ID. I sign my name. I sign my name. I deposit some money. I deposit some money. I count my cash. I count my cash. Here is the money. Here is the money. The teller takes the money. The teller takes the money. The teller gives me a receipt. The teller gives me a receipt. I keep the receipt. I keep the receipt. I want to withdraw money. I want to withdraw money. I need some cash. I need some cash. I write the amount. I write the amount. The teller gives me the cash. The teller gives me the cash. I check the money. I check the money. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are welcome. You are welcome. I ask a question. I ask a question. Where is the ATM? Where is the ATM? The ATM is outside. The ATM is outside. I go to the ATM. I go to the ATM. I put my card in. I put my card in.
I enter my PIN. I enter my PIN. I choose withdraw cash. I choose withdraw cash. The machine gives me money. The machine gives me money. I take my card. I take my card. I take the cash. I take the cash. I check my balance. I check my balance.
My balance is good. My balance is good. I need help today. I need help today. The staff is helpful. The staff is helpful. The bank is clean. The bank is clean. People sit and wait. People sit and wait. The line moves slowly. The line moves slowly. Now it is my turn. Now it is my turn. I speak with the teller. I speak with the teller. Everything is clear now. Everything is clear now. My work is done. My work is done. I leave the bank. I leave the bank. I walk outside. I walk outside. It is a good day. It is a good day. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. I come back home. I come back home.
Great job today! You did an amazing job with shadowing. Keep practicing every day. Read slowly first, then try faster. Shadowing helps you speak English clearly. It also helps you remember words and sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes you better every day. Try shadowing with your friends or family too. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to Note Said 24 channel. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye.